Hey y'all, hey, I'm starting this video off pre-prepping my skin, preparing my skin for the lace. But I do want to say, when I recorded this video, I did not think I had recorded it this long. So I am muting the audio of the original video, and I'll be doing a voiceover so I can chop it up and speed it up, because I did not want this video to be an hour long because I did too much talking. But anyway, right here, like I said, I'm prepping my skin for the lace when the time does come for me to apply the glue and everything. So I'm not going to do that. I went ahead and did that. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So right here, y'all, I am taking down the wig because I had threw this wig on to go out. And I had put a hat on, so it was kind of like a little messed up or whatever. But I am going to prep the hair to lay the wig down or whatever. I'm prepping the hair, laying it back with the hot comb, so when I get ready to apply it, the little pieces of hair is not everywhere, getting stuck everywhere or whatever. So it's best to just slick that back with the hot comb or whatever. So right here, that's what I'm doing. And yeah. Right here, I'm about to go ahead on and put that wig cap on. Always gonna protect my edges and my hairline to the best of my abilities. I cannot stand doing the bald cap method because personally, I just don't know what I be doing, and it don't really last like it should. So yeah, I'm gonna just slap that wig cap on and call it a day. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, y'all. Once I put the wig on, I realized probably should have like shifted it over a little bit more to the side since I was trying to do a side part. But I'm still learning, and that's all I'm gonna say. I'm still learning, and it's gonna take me some time when it comes to me doing side parts anyway, because I don't even do side parts. I normally do middle parts. So yeah, I did what I thought was cute. So yeah. So in the beginning of the video, y'all already know I prepped my skin so I can just go in and now apply 3 layers of glue. Make sure each layer dries clear before adding the next layer. Also, make sure that you are evenly spreading the glue out so that it can dry evenly, because I feel like that's how some people installs does not last as long as others, because they're not, for one, evenly spreading out the glue, and for two, letting the glue dry completely. Okay, as you can see, the glue is dry. I'm gonna test it. I test it, see if it's a little sticky. You always want your glue to be like that tacky, sticky like feeling. Like for the girls that wear lashes, you know what I'm talking about. You want it to have like that tacky stick. So that means that it's dry. That means that it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that lace with my comb and get it all melted into the lace. Lace is down now, so I'm going in and applying some foundation, cream foundation to be exact, Ruby Kisses from the hair store. I in the past, y'all, I have tried to use what I had around the house, and it leaves my installs crazy looking. I've tried to use liquid foundation because that's just what I had around the house, and then me being lazy, I bought some powder foundation one time, but this was in the past, and that powder foundation leaves like a lighter cast on the lace. Always get a cream foundation. Always, 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 because it helps with the melt, makes it look more like scalp. And yeah, so stop being lazy. Don't use no liquid foundation. Please don't use any type of powder on your lace. Get the cream foundation because that's what works. Use quality products so you can have a quality install. Okay, now I'm about to go in with my adhesive lace spray. And I mainly use this to give it a more melt look. Some people use spritz as well, but right now this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm not about to go out and buy no spritz right now because this bottle is full. So, I spray this onto my fingers. I do not spray this onto the lace. Do not spray this onto the lace because you just applied glue. Now you're going to put this wet product where you still have glue that's should be dry, but it's still trying to bond to your forehead and the lace and come together. Do not spray do not spray this on directly onto the lace. Spray it onto your finger, another utensil of some sort, and then you want to press it in to the lace so it can give that melted look or whatever. And then of course you're gonna let it dry before you put your band on. Okay, it's dry. Put that band on. And you're gonna sit with this band on for at least 45 minutes to an hour, okay? Let it stay on. Let it stay on. But don't let it stay on too long. Alright, now I'm about to go in and take this band off. And of course, it's always going to be some glue residue or some makeup residue. So we're going to go in with a Q-tip and some alcohol. And you're going to wipe the residue off. Wipe it off. You don't want that casting looking white or that makeup looking around your lace. Just clean it up, make it look fresh, make it look clean. And then we're going to get into styling. Now that the lace has been cleaned up, we're gonna get into trying to part this into a side part, baby. And I am not a person that can part very good. So y'all bear with me as I try my best to part this wig for the side part. See, I see I had to switch up the combs, right? I don't know what I thought I was gonna do with them two plastic combs. What was I need my rat tail comb. So I went into the bathroom and I got my rat tail comb because I really thought Tyler had threw it away because I don't know if y'all saw what the actual comb part looked like. But baby, it ain't no comb no more. It's a comb. It ain't a full comb. But anyway, yeah, let me go in with this rat tail comb to make this part better. I'm not gonna say make it perfect. Cause once again, I'm not a hairstylist, and two, I don't know how to part that good. Now that my part is to my liking, I'm going to take my hot comb and press it out at the roots to the best of my abilities to give it the flattest look possible. And then I'm going to go in and do some baby hairs. I was contemplating if I needed to do baby hairs or not, but because when the wig was first installed, it has baby hairs, I just was like, they already here. Go in and add one more. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing in this next clip. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I would never tell nobody to skip through my video, but baby, me fighting with this one baby hair that I created because the other two on the sides was already there from, like I said, when I had a middle part. But baby, just skip on through this. Skip on through this, cause me and this one little swoop got to argue in, baby. And that's all I can tell you. Like, I really wanted to say, you know what, bump it. But I had already cut the hair and started laying it. But it just would not lay and go in the motion that I wanted to go in. And I don't know if it's because of I was using the comb end instead of the brush end. Like, that's another thing too that I'm still working on is doing baby hairs and getting them to lay how I want them to. I hate having big baby hairs, so that's why my baby hairs are always so I try to make them sleek as possible. I don't try to make them as obnoxious as some people do. Now, if I had a frontal, I may try that one day, but with a closure, you don't really got that much space, so you can't even do all that. But yeah, all I can say is me and this baby hair got to fight. Now that the fight is over with the baby hair, I am about to go in and press out this hair because, like I said, this week I just been throwing on and off my head because I can just put a hat over top of it and it'll stay in place. I did put some mousse on it to lay down the few little flyaways, and I'm also gonna go in with some bio silk to lay some of the flyaways down. Good God, girl. Lay some of the flyaways down and also give my hair that shine as I am pressing it out.
Brody, this go crazy.
Okay, y'all. I'm finishing up pressing out the hair. And as y'all see, it is a beautiful install. I'm not going to say it's flawless, but it's a beautiful install. But this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and if you aren't already, subscribe. Why you ain't subscribed? Go ahead on and subscribe. But anyway, I'll catch y'all on the next one.